Hello, welcome to PopScrap.com. I'd like to run you through a ticket with our new CRVAPP, which operates on any Android device 2.1 or higher. It also will run on Windows PCs via Motorola Atrix and or the soon-to-be released BlueStacks, which allows you to run Android devices on Windows computers. For now, let's go ahead and show you how to run a ticket. So we're going to click Start Ticket. As the system creates a ticket, we then are brought to the main ticket screen where this is where we'll view all the items that we'll add to the ticket before we print. And of course we can add a material and or add a customer if needed. So let's start with aluminum cans. And of course from my groups I go to my materials, and from materials I can buy them by the pound, commingled, by the small, the large, and or by metal. The program is currently set up for California's CRV recycling centers. From here we have the ability to enter in the weight. We'll start with a gross weight. We'll then hit enter. From there it'll take us over to the tare, where we can manually enter in the tare weight, and or we could select from the tare buttons if we wanted to add from pre-made tare buttons if we had multiple containers on the same scale at the same time. So let's go ahead and go back to the ticket. And we'll stick with the 8 pounds. We'll manually enter it in, or 8.3 pounds. How's that for a container? And then this will take us over to our price screen, where we'll then confirm the price. We can take away from the ticket, or we can add a coupon for the ticket. So let's go ahead and assume that the customer brought us a coupon for 5 cents from the Record B newspaper. And you'll notice that a note was placed along the bottom of the ticket. We can now confirm that weight. It'll then take us back to the ticket screen. Let's go ahead and add one more material. Let's go ahead and add glass, and let's go ahead and add CRV glass, and then let's go ahead and put in 50 pounds of glass, 50.3 pounds. Since glass is to the third decimal, you'll notice it charges 0.104, so we've got it set up so that you can track to the hundredth clear across. Let's go ahead and put in our container weight of 8.3 pounds to deduct that from the poundage. This will then take us to the price screen, where if we need to deduct because the glass has got a lot of moisture in it, a lot of liquids are still left in the bottles, and so we'll go ahead and deduct from that. It deducts evenly from the scrap price and the CRV price. And so let's go ahead and go back, and you'll notice that when it brings in a new item, it puts it on the top. And for smaller screen Android phones, this will help the user be able to see exactly what he did last on the ticket. Of course, from here we have the ability to edit any one of these items that are on the ticket. We can change the material, change the gross or the tare, the net. We can change the price, or we can delete the item altogether from the ticket. So let's go ahead and go back to the ticket. And let's assume that the 2663 is correct, and we've ready to print. We'll go ahead and hit the print button, and we'll go ahead and hit the save button today, since we're on an Android emulator running the demo for you. And that concludes our ticket for PopScrap.com and our CRVAPP. Please check out our other videos. We'll run through reports, run through how to add a customer, how to search for old tickets, void old tickets, and how to change prices in the materials. Thank you. PopScrap. So advanced it's simple.